Tired of complicated app integrations? Struggling to keep your data organized? Glide is here to transform your experience. No migration or lock-in. Just connect and sync your data where it lives. Glide integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets for effortless app creation. With Glide's data editor, you can easily edit and customize apps. No coding required. Just drag and drop your ambitious ideas. Experience real-time synchronization. Any data change instantly updates your source. You can manually sync anytime for extra assurance. Whether you're a novice or an expert, Glide's user-friendly interface empowers everyone. Build unique apps quickly without any expertise. Unlock your data's full potential today. Perform calculations, create relationships, and generate QR codes, all without code. Start transforming your data into actionable insights now. Sign up, no credit card required. Don't wait. Glide your way to success.